how to turn on or turn off voiceover audio sounds and haptics with usage explained. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on VoiceOver. In here, scroll down and tap on Audio. Then at the top, tap on VoiceOver Sounds and Haptics. At the top here in the Sounds section, you can turn on or switch off sounds by tapping on the toggle button. Next is the Haptics section. You can turn off or switch on haptics. You can also change the sound of haptics or the sounds of your voiceover. Here we also have the match speech volume. You can turn on or switch it off. And below that are the interaction section. Okay, so the purpose of voiceover sounds and haptics in this section here is to enhance user experience. These features make using the iPhone more intuitive and efficient for visually impaired users. It can also improve accessibility. They provide additional cues and information, making it easier to navigate the device. And another thing is it reduces reliance on the visual cues. So voiceover sounds and haptics help users understand the device state and actions without relying solely on visual feedback. So the specific uses of the voice uh, system sounds, so provide auditory cues for actions like unlocking the phone, receiving notifications, or making calls. We got the speech feedback as well, so reads aloud the text on the screen, including app menus, notifications, and web content. Another specific use for sounds are the sound effects, so provide auditory feedback for specific actions, such as tapping a button or scrolling through a list. In terms of the haptics function, it provides a touch feedback, so provide tactile feedback for actions like tapping, swiping, and scrolling. And another feature of the haptics for VoiceOver is the alert haptics. It alerts users to important notifications or alarms. So by combining VoiceOver sounds and haptics, Apple aims to provide a comprehensive and inclusive user experience for all users, regardless of their visual abilities. So that is what the purpose of VoiceOver sounds and haptics in the VoiceOver settings for. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.